Hi everyone, Brett back out to do scale modeling with another sprue review. Everyone's seen the Model Collect V1 rocket with launching. This is their same V1 kit, only it's on a German railway car. I thought that'd be interesting and fun to look at. Brand new kit, hasn't been opened yet. Nothing really on the box, except more of the same box art. So, turn this light on, let's open this up. Take a look. It's a fairly heavy box for a 70-second kit. I like building railway things. Actually, I'd like to finish a railway thing, but that's another story. So, looks like 4 sprues in there. I'm thinking this is the V1, this is the railway car with some tracks. And some decals and instructions. There you have it. So, let's do it like this. The railway car second to the V1 first. Resealable bags. And 1, 2, that's right, 4 sprues. Start here. Here you have, in very good detail, get some more light on here. There we go. So at the top, maybe there's 2 V1s in here. Anyway, V1 rocket right there. Engine. Nice riveting detail, nice panel line detail. See a nice riveting detail. Ejector pins are all out of the way. Here's your booster. I think it's your booster. Should be your booster. Goes on top. And here we have fins, gears. It's going to be part of the launching rail it's going to sit on. If you get a nice 70-second rest of a train, you could make a really detailed diorama with this. So yeah, this is all the launching parts, launching rails. The detail is nice. The wood grain texture on that box is nice. For some of the control boxes, you can see nice raised detail. You can see the gearing. And here, more rivets, raised rivets, panel line. I don't know how I can pick up that wood texture on there, but it is there. For that box. There's some detail on the inside, so obviously you're going to be able to see inside of that. And lastly there, the bottom of the launching platform. And a few more parts to assemble that. Looks like it rotates, which would make sense. Because you're not always going to want to launch it in the direction that the rail car's facing. All right. Rail car parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're matching. So it's nice that they give you actually some rail to sit it on. Very good detail. Here's the platform. See the side of the rails right there. Wheels for the train. Springs. The ejector pin marks on the back and the bottom. None on the tops. Like I said, there's 2 sprues of that. Okay. Then there's 2 sprues of this one, which look like more of the launching platform. Where it would sit on, or maybe it's just the side of the box car, or the flatbed car. I think that's what it is, the side of the flatbed car. Which again, good detail. No ejector pins where you don't want them. Ejector pins all over where you would. 2 of those. Alright, we have some little bitty decals. I'm pretty sure this is mainly going to be stenciling, maybe some dials for the controls for launching. You're going to be able to see them very well because they're all white or clear. But there they are. There are no, I guess there could be dials on there. Can't really tell. But there they are. Not much carrier film at all. And last, but certainly not least, is little instructions. Here's your sprue map for your rail car. Here's what you should have looking like. Sprue map for the V1. Putting your rail car together. All the wheels, the floor, the side rails, top of the bed. How you want to put this together, paint it and detail it. There's the tracks going together below it. And top and bottom of V1 and the motor. Starting to put the launching pad together. The launch rail, sorry. And it's going to sit on there, and if you do it right, it'll rotate, and beautiful color call out. Obviously the wooden deck, the German gray of everything. MIG colors right there. Where is your color call out? I do not see, for the life of me, any color callouts. Even on the colored part, I'm showing you some of the decals right there, but it's not telling you what color. It's giving you numbers, unless I'm missing something. It's anywhere here where it's showing colors, showing weights, bending. Nothing at all in there. Nothing all on the side of the box. Nope. Nothing that's showing the color callouts. But like I said, German gray and wood. That's pretty much it. Some rust, maybe. Parts of it. So there you have it. 72nd scale V1 rocket on a railway car. Thanks for watching. Sit your ass at the bench. Build yourself a model. Bye now.